In front of me is OnePlus 15, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Apps. Then choose Default Apps here and check out all of those sections you can manage. After you do that, go into Play Store and download new app you wanna set up as your default. In my case, Firefox browser. When your new app is ready, go back to the same settings, tap on chosen section, in my case browser app, and click on an app you wanna apply as your new default. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!